Today, Part-Time Barbecue is doing a collaboration video. We'd like to thank our friends at Beylik Farms here in Fillmore, California for supplying us with some hydroponically grown tomatoes and peppers for a fire-roasted smoked salsa that we're going to be making today. It's fantastic. We will be using Beylik Farms plum tomatoes, pasilla peppers, Anaheim peppers, yellow peppers, and jalapeno peppers, along with garlic, Valdelia sweet onions. Our vegetables are in the Kamado using a couple chunks of applewood to provide some smoke. We're going to smoke it at a low heat for a little bit, let the veggies get a little smoke flavor. We'll take the veggies off, crank the temperature up, and bring some nice char to the salsa. Right, here's the end result of our smoking and fire roasting our tomatoes, peppers, onions, garlic. We have fresh cilantro in the corner and some fresh lemon that will be put into the food processor as we take this to a fine chunk for a rustic fire roasted smoked salsa. This is the final product. Collaboration effort between Beylik Farms, hydroponically grown tomatoes and peppers, and Part-Time Barbecue. What we have here today is fire roasted smoked salsa. Fantastic recipe. Not too hot. If you take the seeds out of the peppers, if you want it hotter, leave the seeds in. In total, this was on the pit for about 25 minutes. Charred the skin of the tomatoes, peeled the skin off, charred the peppers, peeled most of the char off. And if you like a real smoky salsa, leave some of that char on there. Adds flavor. But today we took it out. Fantastic recipe. Easy to do at home. This would be great at any party. If you like what you've seen, be sure to subscribe to the Part-Time Barbecue YouTube channel and Facebook page. We upload content all the time. We hope you find it worthwhile. If you do find it worthwhile and you enjoy what you see, please subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell to get notified of latest content. And the best thing, leave us a comment. Tell us what you think.